TD Active Trader offers more than just streaming charts and watch lists. In this video, we cover the widgets that can help you research your investments. We'll start with the Company Fundamentals widget. You'll find it under the Tools and Analysis drop-down menu. It's also part of the Analyze workspace. Enter a stock symbol at the top of the widget. The first section of the widget is Overview. Here, you'll find a quote, analyst ratings, recommendations, downloadable reports, and a chart. The next section is Company Description. Here, you'll find the company's contact information and a description of what they do. The last section, Statistic, displays fundamental metrics on the company, like earnings per share, ratios, and revenue. To view historical earnings estimates and results, head to the Earnings Analyzer widget in the Tools and Analysis drop-down menu. Enter a company symbol at the top of the widget. The widget will display data for the last 8 earnings announcements, indicated by the dates at the bottom of the screen. You can then compare how different metrics behaved before and after recent earnings announcements. At the bottom half of the widget, you can view earnings estimates, reported earnings, revenue, and income. The News widget is in the Markets drop-down menu. It's also part of the Tools workspace by default. This widget gives you access to a streaming market news feed. Enter a company symbol at the top of the widget to filter for news about the company. The Calendar widget is also in the Markets drop-down menu. It's also part of the default Market Watch workspace. This widget gives you an overview of corporate and economic events in a calendar format. Use the buttons at the top to toggle between different views, including list, day, week, and month. Change the time period of the calendar by clicking the current month and year to the left of it. You can also use the mini calendar to select a time period to view. However, you can only access the current calendar year this way. The calendar automatically selects today's date, but you can choose another one. Below the calendar is a list of all the events for the selected date, including a brief description. Click an event to view additional details. To filter calendar results by event type, check the appropriate box on the left. You can also filter results for the symbol you enter at the top of the widget, or for all the symbols in a watch list using the filter options on the left. To remove any filters, click Clear All Filters.